How to change your Halifax mortgages direct debit. First, go to your web browser and type www.halifax.co.uk. After opening Halifax browser, sign in to your Halifax account. You can find the sign in option on the bottom of the page. Click here. Now, enter your username and password and tap on continue. Now tap on the menu option. Now click on mortgages. Look for an option manage your mortgages. Click here. Now look for an option to manage or change your direct debit details. Click on that. Here you can change your Halifax mortgages direct debit. Any changes made within 7 working days of your current payment date won't start until the next month. You can change your direct debit payment date, change the account you pay from, restart a cancel direct debit. For changing your direct debit payment date, double click here. Now fill up these things: your title, first name, last name, property address, postcode. By submitting this information, you will be able to change your direct debit payment date. To restart a cancel direct debit, click on Restart a direct debit. Scroll down and fill up this information such as your first name, last name, contact number and your 40-digit mortgage account number. After filling up this information, submit it. Then it will take you to the second tab. Select what type of account are you restarting payment to. By following these steps, you will be able to change your Halifax mortgage direct debit. Thanks for watching.